Hi sis, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Ijoma Florence. You're highly welcome. To all my subscribers, both new and old, you are welcome to the family. You're highly welcome. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make a lace crochet wig. This very one you're seeing now, I made it using only 2x2 lace crochet, okay? So sis, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, comment, like, okay, share with family and friends. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Yes, sis, here are the materials that we are going to use for this project. Our wig cap, needle and thread, our pins, braid comb and scissors, our 2x2 crochet. This crochet is size 10. Then the two bundles of water wave hair that we are going to use, okay, size 10. Yes, sis, for us to start the project, the first thing we need to do is to lay down our crochet nets onto the wig cap, okay, securing it using our pins so that it will not disturb us while making use of our needle and our thread. After securing it with our pins, the next thing now is for us to make use of our needle and our thread to run the crochet, okay, run down the crochet. So the procedure here is that first of all you pass your needle through the wig cap, then you pass it through the crochet nets, then you bring the needle through the opposite side, okay. Just normal way of sewing, is not hard, okay, just the normal way you can sew things. That's how you continue sewing it until when you get to the end you now make a knot, okay. Then you cut off the excess thread. You now move to the other side. That's how I normally make my own crochet or sew my own crochet. When I'm done with one side, let's assume that I started with the left hand side. When I'm done, I'll move to the right. Then when I'm done, I cut off the offsets, then I'll move to the back. That's how I normally sew down my crochet. So when I'm done with this side now that I'm sewing, I'll make a knot, then cut off the excess thread. I will sew the other side off camera, then I'll be back so that we sew the back side, okay, together, okay, sis. That's what Jehovah gives. That's what he is. Love, unfailing love. That's what we need to live. And the love here today in our heart may it stay. Unfailing love. Unfailing love. Unfailing love. Look around us now, see the love on each face. Out there in the world, hard to find. Yeah, sweetheart, as you can see, we are done sewing the crochet, okay, onto our wig cap. And as you can see from the video, I'm showcasing the hair that we are going to work with. This hair here is water wave size 10. Is 100% natural human hair, nothing like human hair braid. I still have some bundles for sale in case if you want to buy. At the end of this video, I'll put my WhatsApp number on the description box, okay, and I deliver nationwide. Now let's start the major work. As you can see from the video now, I've started sewing the weave on onto my wig cap. All you have to do is that you pass your needle through the weft of the hair, then you pass it through the wig cap and bring your needle through the opposite side. Make sure that you tighten very well so that it is strong and firm. Sew it so that it will look neat, okay? And when you get to the each end, do not cut the weave-on. That's how I normally make my wig. I don't cut weave-on once I get to the end. All I have to do is to turn and continue the sewing, okay? Just keep on watching the video. You will see how I turn. You see how I make this wig, okay? This video is self-explanatory. Our beginners will learn from here. Our professionals too will learn, because as they say, learning is a continual process. All of us are learning every day. So continue watching the video, okay? Yes, sis, like I've said before that I don't like to cut my ribbon while sewing it. Once I get to each end, I'll turn, then I'll sew down to the other end. As you can see now, I'm trying to turn. Look at it, it's very easy. Once you get to the end, you turn, then you use your pin to hold it down, okay? After holding it down with your pins, you now continue sewing with your needle and thread. Continue washing. Yes, sweetheart, like I've said before now, once you turn, you continue sewing with your needle and thread. And when you get to the other end, you turn as well. That's what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to turn, and after turning, I will now continue sewing. So keep on watching the video. Like I've said before, this video is self-explanatory. It's for beginners, okay? Enjoy the video. Let me allow you for now.
Sometimes it seems like the cares of this life weigh us down and feel hard to bear. Giving brings us joy when we share faith and hope, comforted by God's loving care. Love will remain, that's promised. It always will endure. us now. See the love on each face. Out there in the world, hard to find. All these faithful friends with the love they all show. Glad to leave that old world behind. Love never fails, that's promised.
Yes, sis, I'm about to close up the week. After turning, now this one will be the last turning. So after turning now, I'll be sewing both the crochet and the wig cap now together. That means I'll pass through the wig cap, then pass through the crochet net and bring out my needle. That's how I'm going to close it so that your crochet will be firm. Okay, there will be no demarcation between your crochet and your wig cap. Okay, it will also make your work to look neat. So enjoy the video, we're almost there. Yeah, sis, after closing up the hair, this is exactly how it should look like. Okay, and the next thing you have to do is to make a knot so that your hair will not lose. Okay, after making a knot, you use your scissors to cut off the excess thread. After that one, you remove the weave on or the wig from the mannequin head so that you can cut the excess wig cap underneath the crochet. One thing about cutting this excess wig cap underneath the crochet is that it will make your crochet to look natural, and if you want to customize it to the color of your hair scarf, it will not be easy for you to do. So it's necessary that you remove it. If you understand what I mean, just use your sharp scissors to remove the excess or wig cap underneath. Yes, sis, all this while I've been talking, have you subscribed to my channel? Please hit the red button, support your gear and become part of the family. So sis, after putting back the wig to the mannequin head again, I now mix my water and my leave-in treatment, that leave-in conditioner. That's what I will use for this. I'm not going to use any oil. Then I will now use the rubber band that I used to hold the crochet. I'll use my lactic comb to pattern it so that it will look nice and neat. And after which I'll sprinkle the water in order to help the coils to stand out. Okay, keep on watching the video, we almost there, sis. Just keep on watching the video. After sprinkling this water, now I'll now use my lactic comb to comb it, and you see how it will look. Remember, I say that this hair is a water weave on, so applying water to it now make the coils to stand out very well. Enjoy the video, sis.
Out there in the world, hard to find. All these faithful
Yeah, sweethearts, after sprinkling the water and also after combing the hair, the next thing I used was my wax stick, and also I use my hot comb to flatten the crochet. Just watch, you understand what I'm doing. I'm just using my hot comb to see that I lay the crochet very very flat. I always want my crochet to be flat because it will make the wig to look more natural. Okay. Wow, finally we are there. This is the final look of a 2x2 crochet or lace wig. Using 2 bundles of water with natural human hair. Like I've said, I still have some bundles for sale. I'll drop my WhatsApp number on my description box in case if you want to patronize me, okay? Sis, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing, okay? Always share my video with friends and family, and make sure that you turn on your notification button so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload new video. I love you guys. Until my next video, bye.